Legs are still moving.
It's still alive? It's like completely gone. How is it still alive? How long did I live for? It's crazy.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Yummy. You said they're like candy to him, right?
Which one? Is that the one we just did?
No.
That's a little one, though.
Yeah.
So that's... Who is it? Let's see. Oh, look at the ones we did.
I don't think we did right shoulder. It's not even on the list.
We did...
Right rib.
Right. I don't know what that is.
Radio collar.
Radio collar.
We haven't done her yet. I just have the sheet. We haven't done right thigh, right rib either.
Okay.